Hey, welcome back to my channel. This week I've been working on a clock for my son's bedroom. I'm going to show you how I made it and how you can make your own. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You're joining me after I've painted this clock. I used white acrylic paint and marked out the numbers lightly in pencil. You can't really see this on camera, which is why I haven't filmed it. The clock started life looking like this, although you can also purchase clock kits from places such as Amazon, which have a blank face which you can decorate yourself. Here I'm just going over the outlines of the numbers using the ultra-fine black Sharpies. They're a bit thinner than a normal Sharpie, so a bit easier to get the details in. Next week I'm going to have some Easter videos coming up with some Easter crafts for you. So while you're watching this, if you want to just hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of those. I had a change of plan at this point. As you can see, I started planning out the colours with Sharpies. These didn't work out so well as the colours just weren't bright enough and you couldn't really see them. So I switched to using these acrylic paint pens. I'll put the link in the description for these. As this clock's going to be for my son's room, I let him choose the picture. We went through and he chose a red Mclaren. So I printed this stock picture off the internet and stuck it down using PVA glue. I used a thin layer so it didn't soak through the paper and make the ink bleed. Because it's an inkjet printout, I haven't put PVA glue on the top either because the ink starts to run. I found this when I was doing the car badge mirror. If you haven't watched that, I'll put the link above. What you won't see in this video is at this point I took the clock outside and I sprayed it with some clear acrylic sealer. It seals the image and the paint better, but it doesn't make the ink bleed like the PVA glue would. The clock hands were originally black, but you couldn't really see them against the picture. So I sprayed them white with acrylic spray paint. Again, I did this outside because of the fumes and the mess that it causes. Then I used the same pens and the same sealant as I used before and finished them off. They make the clock hands a lot brighter and you can see them better when it's up on the wall. Putting the clock back together was a little bit fiddly. I struggled a bit, but then once I remembered how I took it apart in the first place, I managed to get it all back together again. There are some videos on YouTube of how to put the clock mechanism in if you haven't took it apart yourself to start with. Here's the finished clock. If you do make your own, I'd love to see some pictures. You can send them to me on my social media pages or through my website. You can find all those links on my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.